Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos completely for free using the AI feature that is on YouTube. Most of you have been using YouTube, but you don't know that you can actually generate AI videos from the AI feature that is on YouTube. So you can actually generate these videos and post them on your social media, or even start a short YouTube channel and start making your money. You can actually generate up to 10 short AI videos every single day completely for free. You don't have to be paying money for any of the things. Is that okay? So all you have to do is come to YouTube, and when you come to YouTube, you can see that this is how the YouTube looks. In case it does not bring you here, it means that you have not logged in with your email. So just kindly log in with your email. Is that okay? And to bring you here, for you to start creating your video, you can click on this plus sign you are seeing here. Let me return back this plus you are seeing here. So when you click on it, it's showing you whether you want to upload the video. When you usually want to upload a video, this is how it used to right? Okay, so when you click here, it's showing only post. I don't want to make any post. It will actually bring you to the video site where you can upload a video to YouTube. But we don't want to upload any video, we want to create a short video. So click on short. Video, and when you click on create video, they tell you describe your video. So this is where you put your prompt. So I will not just put my prompt here. There are two ways of creating a prompt. You can describe how you want the video to look like to the prompt, or probably you can actually, in fact, like this prompt now is too long. Is that okay? It's too long. So what I can do, that's why this feature is not showing. So what I can do is let me delete it. I will show you how to create your own prompt, and I will also show you how to generate your prompt from ChatGPT or any other AI. Is that okay? All right, so let me say I want you to generate me. All right, so this is my prompt. So you can see that I said I want you to generate a video of me teaching at Express Tech Academy. Let the room be an enclosed room with all teaching materials like PC, projector, etc. I'll be wearing a black suit, smiling. The student should be up to 50. The video is for social media, so it should be 9:16 aspect ratio. Make this video stand out. So you can see how my prompt is. I just type it myself. So all you have to do is just describe how you want the video to look like, and I will also show you how to use ChatGPT to generate it after we have created this one. So is that okay? So since I said it should carry my picture, I can actually add my picture here by clicking here and add my picture. But I don't want to actually add my picture. I want it to freestyle itself. But when you add your picture, it will be your picture that will be speaking following the prompt. Is that okay? But let's click on go, and then it's currently generating that video. Now once it gets up to 100%, the video is going to be ready. So once it's ready, I'll show you what next to do with it.
Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore how these data visualizations translate directly into actionable insights for your upcoming projects. Welcome everyone.
The video. This is the video. The video, the AI uses a lady, meanwhile I'm a guy. Why? Because I did not give it a picture. So you can give the picture to it and it can actually give you. And in the creating of the video, assuming I have put include subtitles, you will have seen that it should have been including subtitles. You can add more designs, tell the AI what to do, and it should actually do it. And the next thing for you to do is to download this video. So you can click on next, and then you can see that you can actually post this video directly to your YouTube. But I don't actually want to post it directly to my YouTube. Is that okay? I can just come back and click on edit, and then you can see that you can actually edit it and put everything that you want to actually put. You can put a background music if you want, you can put the text, you can put stickers, and etc. So this is how to actually generate a video with an AI that is integrated on YouTube. You can generate like this up to 10 per day, and you can just download them and post on your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, you can just help me subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now let me show you how to generate the prompt. You can just come here. Let's say you want to generate a prompt from ChatGPT. You can come here and say generate me a short prompt to generate an AI video from YouTube AI. All right, so you can now tell it the prompt should be about, let's say, an anime crying in the bush. All right, so let's click on enter, and you can see that it's generating me a short scene. So it has generated in the prompt. I'll copy the prompt, and let me come to AI and let me generate another AI. So let me come here, and then I'll just I'll just paste that new prompt and generate another video. But the prompt you're using here don't need to be too long, because if it's too long, YouTube will not allow you to actually create that video. So the prompt should be too short. It should be short, not too short, but it should be short, because the video is always short, within 30 seconds video. Now let it reach 100% and we'll see how this one will look like. Alright, so the video is ready, and you can see this an anime in the bush crying while animals are jumping around. So this is the video. So all you have to do is download again, and then you can see that see the download save to device. Just click on save to device, and the video will directly be saved to your device. Just click on here, and you can see that the videos will be saved to your device. So this is how to use YouTube AI to create videos and start posting on your content, on your social media. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly help me subscribe to the channel. Let's go.